Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck with today's quick tip. Knife versus bunch cutter. Well, both of them work, but there are some preferences and some important facts to be able to consider when choosing your tools to work with your floral materials. So as a professional, really a knife is the most preferred method. And as you can see here, I hold my knife with my two bottom fingers so that I have access to these fingers to be able to easily continue to make insertions. And then I'm not putting my knife up and down and wasting time looking for it. So as you go with a knife too, also you want to take it, bring it to the stem, and then you pull the flower out. So you're not pulling the knife to you right through the stem. You take it, have it meet the flower, pull it out, and you can see you get a nice clean cut that you'll be able to insert into your foam. So you come in and you still got your knife in your hand and your fingers to be able to do that great insertion into the foam. So if you haven't used a knife, I would get to try to practice, and it's really the preferred tool. But there are a lot of new bunch cutters and different cutters out there, and using a cutter is okay too, a bunch cutter. On here, I do prefer this style. Smithers Oasis came out with a new Ipon cutter, and this is also one that you can cut and keep in your hand and still have your fingers accessible to be able to do those insertions. So you're not picking it up and putting it down. You're able to work and choose your materials as you go. One of the biggest things with the cutters is to make sure you can cut as an angle as well, but you should make sure it's not flattening the stem, that it's too dull, that it's flattening the stem. Another way to watch for it is if juice is coming out as you're cutting, then you know that your tool is not sharp enough anymore and you need to purchase a new one. So as you go, you still can do that same angled cut and come in and be able to insert that into your floral foam. So as you're cutting your stem, you just want to watch that you don't crush it and ruin that capillary system that's going to bring the water up into the head of the flower. So knife or cutters, either one's okay. Sharp tools are the most important to make sure that you maintain the ability for the flowers to draw up water. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and I hope this enlightens your tool journeys.